Yeah. Microphone check one, pal. Yeah. Don't play games, man. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. Ooh, we don't play no games. You better mention my names. Legion of Doom. Doing what we doing when we outside. And I don't need to mention, cause everybody could just imagine in their mind. I be making it happen, it's so real. Oh, you better stop it right now. And I mean your girl, oh, I don't think they really like it. Put me a little cuz on the motherfucking track and tell them that, oh yeah, got bags up in the back, yeah. That's what it is, homeboy, packing that act shit. Fuck that Mac shit, you can get Mac there like a Mac truck when I'm sitting like Queen Latifah, not at niggas just too soft, nigga, I'm that let's go. I'm never ever blinded, the game is mine, and I'ma run through the shit when lanes is mine.
Yeah. I keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, wherever we at. We keep the heat on deck, wherever we go. We got the money on deck, that's where we flow. We ain't trying to play pretty boy dough. We keep the money on deck, and we move, yo. By the, if you know, by the code, though. I keep the heat on my waist, yo. I mean, I'm oh so fly, you don't know that guy. If you try to know that guy, just pardon me, I just stop and pardon me, I then I have you. Just pause you, then your bitch on my dick. I keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck. Keep the heat on deck like that. I'm in the background doing my blind.
We got a couple nines over here, a couple texts now. Niggas don't know how we about to get down. Any nigga wanna come, about to get beef. Niggas don't know when the heat about to come. Niggas is ducking, niggas is running. Niggas don't want to come see me. Niggas is scared, niggas is running. Niggas don't know when I'm making this paper. Niggas is don't want some deck, paper on deck, weed on deck, crack on deck, everything on deck. Niggas come and get it by the fucking hour. Niggas don't know when they get it. Yeah. This the squad up in the building, you heard? That's just what it is, you heard?
It gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust.
Tell them we gon' make it happen. Soon as I get my turn, boy, I start rapping. No need to break the sweat, it's too easy. Niggas be talking like it's so greasy. We don't wanna hear no more. Oh, I hope you packing a gun as big as your jaw. What the fuck you think this is? We ain't playing that thug. And I run through niggas like the moon through bro. Damn, bros get snow through a clout, selling they pussy, trying to get that money, that clout. Like a hood nigga, hood star, hood block, a hood knocker. You already know they got the hood knocker. Yeah.
We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, it gotta be trust. Go get us on deck, you already know. We got the heat on deck, we ain't playing, we get the dough. You already know I'm on the camera action, yo. I'm about that money. If it wasn't about that, then I'd be grinding on a silly on the corner. Action, waiting for the pop my heat. 4-5, put you to sleep, you know what it be. Look, keep the damn on deck. Hammer on the loaded, metal just hot. Hammer nigga eat the heating on the block. Yeah, you know I pissed on the rock. Gotta grab my pistol. You already know that I'm first on the list, son. You already know that you on the list, son. I damage you, and I fucking hammer you, amateur, barrier, get you in the dirt. You already know I ain't playing. Yeah, we keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck.
Get a squad, nigga. Say squad up, nigga. Go get a squad, I can't. Niggas don't know, see my niggas in the background. AK owners, niggas is scared. Coming to my funeral, fuck that, nigga. spit on your shit, nigga. Fuck that. E-money here, nigga. I'm about to spit this hot shit on YouTube. Niggas wanna see me spit this shit, nigga. Fuck, you see me. Pick some paper, nigga. How you see me? Fuck that talk shit, nigga. We ain't about that. All that clown shit. Fuck that. We ain't waster. Gangsta ass niggas over here about to throw sets up. Gangland nigga from Dirty Joe's, nigga. Fuck this shit. You talking about that plain shit. You know who fucking coming from. Go get it, niggas.
Yeah, we keep the pistol on. We keep the pistol on that. We keep the pistol on that.
Tell them that we got it, so we gotta get it. Tell them ain't no confusion, boy, so we gotta hit it. Tell them it's like, what? I better back up, give me 5 seconds, homeboy. Please don't act up. The camera ever shy. Me, homeboy, I'm a dude for my guys. Yeah, it's just fam all up in here, man. You know how we do, boy. One take care, the other one washes the other back and scratch the other back. Yeah, that's how we live, homeboy. That's why we keep them stacked. Everybody talking like they rich, but they ain't getting that. Little niggas running through the wrong hood, getting packed.
Yeah.
I mean, ain't no paint guns. We ain't playing out here, so just take one.
Keep the hammer. We keep the hammer on deck. You already know. We keep the hammer on deck. You already know. We keep the hammer on deck. You already know. We keep the hammer on deck. You already know. We keep the hammer on deck. You already know. We keep the hammers on deck. You already know. We keep the hammers on deck. You already know. We keep the hammers on deck. We ain't gotta just put you on the underground, man. We gotta hit you first. Look, then we touch you. Then we keep the match. Then you understand. I spit for this money, and I ain't talking. But if y'all wanna sign, then what's up? We ain't even talking. We pull up in a Hummer truck, nice 20, 30s on them. This is two clones. I pull up in a city Benz, 2 chrome bop. You already know. Gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause we gotta be trust. We keep the heat on deck, cause we gotta be trust. We keep the heaters on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heaters on deck, cause gotta be trust. We keep the heaters on deck.
Yeah, that nigga. He said Dirty Joe's in here, then you know we keep that squad up.
A year, almost $6,000, and it was a great.
Is the plum card right for you? Is the plum business
We keep the heaters on deck. We keep the heaters on deck. You already know. We ain't playing radio next. When we pour, that's what we got.